Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and I know this is a bit late. It's a day late. It's late in the day. What a week though, can I tell you? It's been insane. But I'm so excited to finally do the first prize drawing for the Merry Vlogmas Advent Calendar giveaway. I think I'm going to make this a yearly tradition. So I'm here to do the first prize draws for December 1st and December 2nd because I'm late. But then I'm going to try to keep these videos coming up around either 6 or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every day from now until the 24th. So let's take a look and see who our first prize winners are. We are very low tech here at Wicked Awesome Gardening, so we're going to have to work with my iPad, and you're just going to have to deal with seeing the reflection here. But here is the prize wheel. Everybody's on there. Let's go ahead and tap the wheel. For our December 1st prize winner, we have... Who is it? Ashley Eats! Woohoo! Ashley Eats is our December 1st prize winner, and that will be... Romanesco broccoli and a Wicked Awesome Gardening sticker. Let's take a look. I'll show you, because I haven't really showed you guys my stickers yet. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do, whether an Etsy shop or whatever, to put these up for sale. But there's my Wicked Awesome Gardening stickers. I finally got them. And Ashley, you're going to have one coming your way. And you're also getting some Romanesco broccoli seeds. This thing is so cool. Like, look at that. These like crazy geometric spirals of spikes, and it's really delicious too. Really easy to grow. It's good stuff. So Ashley Eats, Romanesco broccoli, Wicked Awesome Gardening sticker, and I will reach out to you in the comments of the registration video. But if you watch this video, send me an email at wickedawesomegardening@gmail.com to claim your prize. And for December 2nd, let's spin the wheel. Woo! Hey, it's Rochelle at Brampton Gardener. All right, Rochelle's gonna win a prize, and she won a 2-pack of tomatoes. I'm giving you some of my precious tomatoes, but I'm also giving you a tomato that I'm not gonna grow, but you happen to love, I think. The sweetie tomato. Who knew? And also you're going to get a pack of yellow pear. So yay! All right, reach out to me. You know how to reach me. We talk all the time. I swear this is not rigged. But that was so cool. All right, so the 2-pack of tomatoes for Brampton Gardener, the Romanesco broccoli, and the Wicked Awesome Gardening sticker for Ashley Eats. And so I will see you guys back here tomorrow for the December 3rd prize. And tomorrow might not just be mine, that might also be somebody else's, because remember, Brampton Gardener is also a sponsor for one of these days. Joe from Garden State Gardener has sponsored 3 days. We've got Bland's Promised Land Ranch, Boots and Bounty Homestead. We've got a whole bunch of channels that have sponsored days here, and you never know when they're going to pop up. And if you are a YouTube channel, you want to sponsor a day, let me know. We'll put you in here. I'll just pop you in on a random day, and that will make sure we get your channel boosted a little bit if we can, because this is a community building exercise here. That's what this is all about. So from me to you, have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. You like these? You like these? You want to know where to get a sticker? I'll figure that out for you. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.